Hey guys, Benny from 782 Motors, classics, lowriders and muscle cars. This time we're going to show you this 1971 Cadillac Eldorado. These were a front wheel drive vehicle. They were 8.2 litre 502 cube big block V8. This car's had a lot of modifications done to be airbagged, which is pretty unheard of on a front wheel drive car, but this car's been done. It's Queensland mod plated. It's been stripped and bare metaled in a Xerelic pearl burgundy. All the chrome was redone. It's got genuine leather interior, all custom white, boot fit out's the same. Power everything, it's Cadillac. Power top, it's white as well. We're talking power glass, power steer, aircon, power seats. It's got everything, man. So if you want a big luxury cruiser, they don't come any bigger and they don't come any badder.